Forests are incredible for an uncountable number of reasons, but one such as this, broadleaf forest found in the UK, have another reason to value them. These woodland spaces are excellent at preventing wildfires. I'm sure that might sound counterintuitive with all this flammable matter on the ground, but it might not be as flammable as you first think. Hello doggies. You would think all of these plants here are just kindling for an open flame, dangerous places that can act as an inferno. And this certainly is something that anti-rewilders do peddle, but it is absolute nonsense. Look at the teeny tiny birds, absolutely minuscule. Even in the driest parts of summer, broadleaf woodlands like these are still quite moist. This is evidenced all over the trees that you can see. Lichen and mosses growing all over them, and even directly on the ground. Look how pretty. You definitely don't get this much moss in a place that is prone to wildfires. Don't drink that! There's a saying among ecologists that broadleaf woodland burns like wet asbestos, and that is absolutely true. The secret is in the leaves, both in the trees and on the ground. The layer that is laid down every single year of these leaves holds in moisture. Even as it decomposes and becomes humus, it holds in moisture like a sponge. The leaves up above intercept the rain and slow its descent to the ground, whilst the leaves on the ground prevent evaporation. Look how diverse. Look, you got two different species of moss growing in one place, and a teeny tiny little mushroom. The roots from all these trees dig deep into the soil, making it a lot more stable throughout the year, preventing erosion or water runoff. By preventing water from running off and holding it in as long as possible, these places retain humidity well into summer, even if there's a drought. The same cannot be said for the unnatural grass and moorlands that are taking up the majority of our outdoor space in the UK. Gorse, heather, grasses do not hold in nearly enough moisture to prevent these wildfires from happening every single summer. Do not fall for the straight up lies that are peddled by shooting estates that want to keep these lands open so it's easier for grouse to breed in. As climate change is making the uplands a much hotter place, we're going to see more wildfires. The only way to counteract that is by restoring the length and breadth of Britain with as much natural habitat as possible. The majority of these natural habitats that are supposed to be here in the UK are very hydrophilic. They love water. Wetlands especially, but also our beautiful broadleaf woodlands.